one destiny.
Yeah, man, me a done know Sizzla Kalonji rise and toast. Turn it up, turn it up. Hey! Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and no one can. Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say up. No one can stop you. He's fine. Pull up. I like that, so I think someone got up on the microphone, alright? But first of all, I want to say welcome to each and every one. I'm so glad that you could have made it right here. You know what I'm saying? Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Can I hear the ladies scream? Yes, well, yeah. What wrong? Jesus said, there's nothing in the city. I'll be separated out of. The 50 times the road I tread, you make a kind of floor. If I never to try, I go out. And that's different from those slaves and policies who came around. They up in the house, side up in the street, search in the town. They never done positive. All the time I'm making people business around. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Sizzla Kalonji on the fire. We got some good. Some true. Heard your parts I am caged. We got rid of it. Some true. I am the man that must straight you know. Hey, what's up, look? No man can take off your pants. What's up, look? No man can. Let's show my selector. Are you feeling? No place, so no time for your rhythm. What do you want to like? So that's the idea. Sure. Sizzla Kalonji said, never wonder how we do this and going. Look. Selector, don't turn on the radio. Just go on to them and mix it out. Alright. We got the man that want to do them a real last man. Who's your bless? Oh my God, so who's your bless? Let's say put your hands in the air, beautiful people. Hey, never wonder. There's gonna be later. Pick up my people and relax again. Let's put up a put on the cause them can't stop. Hey, never wonder. Oh, Mr. Sleep is gonna be later. Pick up my people and relax again longer. Heart is transmission. Let's put up a put on the cause them can't stop this way. Oh, no one for me now. And this, pull up. Pass. Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Well, first of all, I want to say welcome to each and every one and thank you very much for being a part of such a great celebration. My name is Sizzla Kalonji and you know, I'm your host for the night is Rise and Toast. So please raise your glasses to old friends, to new friends, for us being together. Thank you very much for being a part of such special night. Say all beautiful people, how you doing? Hey, no, I'll be there all day. Where's the day? Some will say, others do as they like. So much of so, things are getting bigger. Hey, some don't say like this like. We'll take to see your mind and be a self burden. And everyone deserves to win. So that's the crown that's on me success. All the and every time they want to shine, they won't think us in the mess. Talk about your rude, we turn attitude, yeah. Me no do so, me no do so, telephone never waits. For me it's on the rock your day. Tunes in your words, that's what I'm saying. What you got to prove, I don't do it well then. You diss me after the many food. Adios, circle side. Pull up. Pass, watch. Ladies, are you feeling? Can I hear the voices one more time? Ain't no party without the ladies. So when I say ladies, all you girls gonna say sexy. Ladies! Ladies! Hey! So they can keep doing it louder. The man that want to do them straight some more fire. You know you gotta see New Year, alright? Just around the corner. This is the start of the last punch. Big up our beautiful ladies. Come here, big up yourself. Sorry down the crew, big up yourself. Big up the promotion. Excuse me, you know me. It's your eyes and chose. Don't be surprised I'm your host for the night, okay? And as your host, I want for you to feel welcome tonight. About to what's happening. You made it possible, alright? Let's go! Hey! Yes, it got to be. And be on the best you. I said the world is on the best. Let me see your white girl, everyone. Let me see your white girl. Everybody know, yes, you got. And be on the best you can. I said the world is on the best of your friends. And I'm too high to. All you're doing, that's how we haven't seen you. Hope that you're not saying that like I would be able to test. The people think you got to work hard, I'm telling you. Hope and pray for the best, cause I'm believing you. Now that it's a rough and I'm letting it to shake you. That's why you love when you like. For us being there, there's getting on to the other one, I'm bringing it up. Yes, it got to be. And be the best you can. I said the world is on the go. Pull up the song I want to. Jamaica inside the house. Trinidad inside the house. St. Lucia inside the house. Miami, New York, and the whole crew. Thank you very much. So many ladies. They know what I commend you all greatly. Thank you very much for coming. Love you, darling. I'm gonna see you one more time, okay? Yes, it got to be. And be the best you can. I said the world is on the back of your friends. I don't to wait too long. Hey, yes, it got to be. And be the best you. Hey, I said the world is on the back of your friends. I don't to wait too long. But hey, all you're doing, that's all I ever seen you. Pull up. Pause, you play it again. Father Chin, Spring Break Promotion. Spring Break Promoter, big up yourself, Father Chin. You know me and Sam, big up the fans for supporting Sizzla Kalonji. They can't turn on the summer right now. First time Sizzla reach Miami. Soundwave, yeah, Soundwave when I reached Miami the first time. I came here with Shabarams, Luciano, and Cocochi. Cocochi is a beach girl, you know, so we send great respect to Cocochi, you know what I'm saying? Shabarams, big up yourself, super cat and all, great Jamaican artists. All the rappers and singers, and big up yourself. Anyone trying for the best to be the best, congratulations. And what I want to say to you now, it's so good for us to be here. This is the power of unity, and for you to see what we can do when we put our mind towards positive stuff, okay? So the best thing for you to be is the better version of yourselves, and do not really think about what people say about you, because that's not your business. What's your business is to reach to the top, and there's no other way but to the top, alright? When the man with I slap say I Joe, I say I love the party, I really might select them and come up the fire. You know what I'm saying? Them say the party I do 9 o'clock. So much in one in I can't done so early. 10 o'clock? Alright, okay, let's go! Hey! In the city, you was not yours. We know you're not wrong. Switching on me now, switching on me. We got dirty attitudes that you reach and end up that short. Now you look on every corner, trying to make a dollar from your quarters. Thought you were a friend, even if you're not. We go buy a big youngster and a rich girl. I gotta take myself. What you say? The man that will have the man say, oh man. See, the next song I know hesitate to teach you now. Who tell me this? Preaching the name of the Most High, give you a majesty and jealousy, I said it first. Alright? Red like mountains on the boat, Jerusalem. So it's a person I see I don't die. It's like a fuck, that's something good shit, crackers. I'll be like a fool, you're tough and you're like a bitch. So people, I want to pay for them bodyguards that they run me. Eh? Everyone know them bodyguard security and follow me. I want one. So all the King Selassie I said, collective security for surety. You know, we have to work the fire despite all what's going on. Because you see in Jamaica, funny man thing illegal. The lesbian thing, the pedophilia thing, the raping thing, the crime and violence thing. Love alone can make all them prosper. It's been a long while I've been here because you don't know a couple of these and this is a man around for book fire upon them funny people. What do you know that I say out there? Senior citizens then. What I want for you to do is to help yourself towards the refreshment, alright? So please help yourself to get some refreshment and stay hydrated, no dehydration thing, alright? The man ever knows that a boy can't put on your pants, bust on them. I don't know, joke him with them and they know me represent Jamaica in the world. I will read my role. The people over here so we know some make their own money. We're not bad man and they're not bow and sell out some more fire. I did the oh yeah, yeah. Because the rest of them see you now. Don't do it, man. Don't do the biggest slam, but they got them on the weird side. What? This is I'm just so powerful. Up to it. That's the fire that's on your heart. I'm Mr. Ninja Kid first bring me go studio, you know. Bring me go arrows, you know. Them kind of member don't know part technical high school in a uniform and school tie and crest and everything, you understand? So big respect Ninja Kid. You see the work paid off from them time that you know I could dig up the youth and so it go. And different from Ninja Kid, it's a Kokoti and Gangali. Before we go to the music, every deal me have them cars that drive up and down. Father, I didn't come out to dig up myself, Mama Nelly's Kelly. Mr. Kirchi, Mr. DJ, Mr. RFM, Mr. Mellow FM, Mr. Love FM. You don't know the things there. Dig up all the other personalities then. And that's why you see they can't change, alright? Only man when I say that, Mr. Selector, needless say what to get done. Run the rhythm. That's a parent baby. So let us be together, but that is what forever. Without the driving, whoa, whoa, whoa. Life is so much better. Rise Woman, I need you. What do you know that I know? This one my security and serious and all that. Want to know I try to check here. Next time I select, I pick up the collective security for sure. You know what I'm saying? Oh my, put your hands in the air. Let me see you wave your hands. Where your mother? Thank you, rise and choose, no one knows. Just only you. You are my number one. Thank you, mama. I didn't pay that separate. No one knows. That's only your mom. Just only you. Yeah. Mama, I will never let you down. Never go away. Always be around. You know I'm the darling, such a love what you find. Miami, Florida. Me and the sexy girls up on the corridor, alright? Well, you want to like Selassie. Man, select an extra, please. You know, I'm here to host the party. We're giving you the best we got. Alright? I must say greetings in the name of the Most High's Imperial Majesty and Crown King Selassie Jah. Remember that everything His Majesty did is in the best effort for the nation of African people and all other beautiful nations, okay? So this is what you're going to learn tonight. If you don't unite, you're going to fall to extinction, alright? And don't be going out there because of someone's complexion or the color of their eyes or the texture whatsoever. You're going to be ignorant to other persons. Your duty is to aid and assist and uplift each other. So without education, it ain't going to work. Alright? So you see the people who are going like them now rise to our next level and feel like so they have to continue their education. And more fire me about down or two. You see someone up here will get rich and an appearance owns a lot of lands in the Caribbean, and you're here with this bag of money and flash, and now do nothing on the country on the forward from. You don't know what I'm talking about, though. So them bushes then always say a new age, a new era, technology, and increase now, so pretty houses and cars, and all them pavements for there, Jamaica and the Caribbean and Africa right now. We don't have no time for you staying on the gutter. And when somebody dead, I'm going to look at them when they bury them. They just lay down one rascal place in the grave. Now do nothing. So now killing one of them people lay down one blood clot place. Cut out the killing and start dealing with development. Unite as small people, small businesses. And one day you get big. Pick up Bob Marley family. Pick up Money Wheeler family and Peter Touch family. Mr. Jacob Miller. They say, oh, I saw it go. We can't change it. And then man, they set the foundation for I and I. I'm not talking about the masculine genders alone in the reggae music. I'm talking about the feminine genders like Judy Molanch. I'm talking about Richard Marley. What is it? Marsha Griffiths, Tanya Steven, all of them down, Ichana, Lady Sa, down. All you put them in the music, so big up the girls on the same way. You know? When the girls come from us, we pass them on the country, here's your back. And we don't talk to girls, so come with them, we don't fuck her up when they use something. So let's go, see you for next time. Next time, I'm done at the party now. Alright, you know what I want you? Scream for your father to be up. Ladies, don't know what I need. Please don't sit down. Time take it to my heaven. Please don't sit down. Who do you need? Who do you need? Fire this up. Give it to them, give it to them. You want it. Next up. So fire what you want to do. Now make your first up. Fire. Come for waste time. Next rock, come on. Next rock. I guess I jump up in the front now. I take some guys and I'm gonna be step up here. Let us see if we can get there now. Here we go. Try to get some pop. Try finding bumper ass. Bumper up around here. Come down there to the find the laptop. Eh? No apology, no trouble. Keep my favorite singing. It's a man, but I want to hear the one there. There's up there. Really no one here. Really my lord. Go on in the next room to the finage. When I come for bed friend. Really? Yeah. What do they do up there? What do they do up there? Hey. I'll be right on some here. I'll be singing, can you want me bumper ass rapper? After I got the bumper, I'm sitting here. Hey, that's how I go to fire. Yeah, somebody. Fire! Put it ready. Fire! Let me get right there. Put me inside the system and stop rock with her. When you're ready? 1, 2, 3. Rastaman don't talk. You put this thing to us, yes. You know what I got? You got to get my company side. You got to find out what that's up. Rastaman don't talk. You put this fire me, then I judgment you. You know what I got? You got to get my company. You got to find out what that's up. Hey, the first them sexy and them. You sexy for Rastaman them. Somebody bow down. Nothing in this damn world could have it. I don't care if them band it. And I realize the man work and you never bow. Push up on your hand, yeah. Turn it up. That's a man. Oh. Next shot. So you're gonna bounce one more song and the party continues, alright? We're not try it out. You know what I mean? So it's good to pray respect to the fans that have been supporting over the years. Nothing without the fans, nothing without the ladies. Ain't no part without the ladies. Ladies! Yeah. If we're gonna move my dash, you don't wanna hold me here, you know. You know what I do? So if I get pregnant, try to bring the baby, yeah? Pretty girls, if your baby father don't want to help you, somebody nice and honest and diligent will help you along the line, okay? I love you all, yeah? So that's yeah. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not watch. Make me through that green pastures, leading me beside the still waters, restore my soul. Leading me the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, do I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'll fear no evil. For thou art with me, I run and I start comfort thee. Thou prepares to table before me the presence of thine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. Surely goodness and shall follow I and I all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Most High forever. Jah. Selector, continue playing the party, continue, alright? I want to go thank you very much. Party's not over, alright? It's forever beautiful. I'm so girls, your teeth are really chalky white. No, you see, any girl when I take care of them temple and take care of them teeth and everything, then don't make it. One of us always stay lovely, stay beautiful, be informed, be smart, be conscious, be attentive. Learn what you must know in life and learn to discern and learn to cipher between the good and the bad and help out your brothers and your sister. No bad mind, no separation, no lesbian, no macho man, no pedophilia. None of them something. More fire! More fire! More fire! Mr. Selector, continue. Thank you for having me. Before I move up. She's so beautiful. Oh, thank you.
One destiny.